Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your language settings in the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app. Then on the top left corner you will see the menu where you have to scroll down and tap on the settings. And in the settings menu, the third option is going to be the language option, where you can tap on it, and there are a few languages available that you can choose from. But as far as I know, they are always working and updating this list. Right now they have English, Dutch, Espanol, French, Italian, Polish, Russian, and Romanian languages to choose from. And yeah, you can choose the one that you use and you understand. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.